Most beginners fail because they are shotgun marketers. And why do I say that? Well, on Monday, they go to ClickBank, they find their affiliate link, find a product, and post a link somewhere. Right? On Tuesday, they go to Warrior Plus, find a software product, and they post a link somewhere. On Wednesday, they go and try an entirely new niche. Right? They have 10 different links, 10 different offers, 10 different funnels, 10 different traffic sources, and they wonder why they have $0 in their dashboard. I think you can guess yourself, right? They are spreading themselves too thin, and that's the reason they have $0 to show for. Look, if you want to replace your salary, replace your day job income, then you do not need 10 different offers or 10 different traffic sources. You only need one core offer. You need to find one high converting core offer, one product to build an entire world around that product. So in this $3,000 per month affiliate marketing series, I'm going to show you how to exactly build this. But before that, you actually need to understand the logic behind it, right? Maybe you know about affiliate marketing already, and you know the concepts of funnels, you know the concepts of emails, right? And you may think like, this is going to be another boring video. I know already this. But you have $0. You are struggling. You barely have any sales. So that means you do not understand it. You just know the surface. You need to know exactly why do you need these elements here. Why do you need to build this? Why you need a page builder? Why you need a email marketing software? Why you need to build funnels? Why you need to find one offer instead of 10 different offers, one traffic source instead of 10 different traffic sources? And yes, I am actually going to build that out. All right. But before that, you do need to understand the logic behind it. And that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. So please bear with me here. Please watch it to the end. I promise you this will make sense. So the answer of why the logic is that, there is something called a principle that's called the rule of 7. All right, the rule of 7. What the heck is that? Well, it states that the average customer needs to see an offer at least 7 times before they trust it enough to pull out their credit card and actually purchase that product. Now, I don't care about the specific number, but I care about the psychology behind it. Think about your own behavior here. All right. Do you purchase a product that you actually, see for the first time? No, you don't, right? Maybe you look at the site, you then watch a review, then you read an email, you sleep on it, you wait for your payday, right? And then maybe if you really want it, then you actually go ahead and purchase that product, right? If you just spam your affiliate link on FB, for example, that's just one exposure. And then you go and do a different thing tomorrow. If the person who sees that don't buy that second, which 99% won't, by the way, you have lost them forever. So how do we get the remaining 6 exposures? And that too without being annoying. So we build an ecosystem. The answer is we build an ecosystem. Let me create a diagram real quick for you to make you understand it better. So this is your core offer in here. All right, this is your core offer in here. Let me make a big circle here. Well, that's not exactly circle, but it is a circle. Okay, so now to sell this product, we actually need exposure, right? And how do we get all these multiple exposures? Well, the first stage would be the lead magnet that you gave at the start of the funnel. The second stage would be the bridge page, the pre-sale page, or the thank you page that you want to call, right? So this lead magnet, by the way, is the bribe that you give them in exchange for their email. Okay, and then there's the bridge page. This is basically the handshake that you do, like you are just introducing yourself to them, like you exist, you have just introduced them your world, and here you actually give out a link to your core offer as well. Then another one would be the email sequence that will be going after automatically to these people who have entered their email address in here, which sends them multiple exposures, right? Email 1, that's email 1, that's email 2, email 3, multiple angles, right? One talks about the pain, one talks about the proof and results, one talk about the objection, all these things, right? Multiple emails, 7 emails, 8 emails, 9 emails, different emails, all going towards the core offer. Maybe you did a review page, right? Maybe you did a review and have a page dedicated to that. That also goes to that core offer. So every single piece of this ecosystem goes to the core offer, contributes in selling that core offer, multiplies the exposure that a person gets to that single offer, that main offer that you picked. Right here, we are not distracting them with 10 different products. We are focusing on only one solution until they buy. Well, at least for a few days. I know what you may be thinking, like, this looks good, right? But why can't I just send them to the sales page? The vendor sales page is better than mine, and this seems like a lot of work. But man, just hear about it, right? Here's the truth. People don't buy from companies anymore, right? They don't buy from companies. They actually buy from people. Hence, there is so much surge of, influencer marketers here. Companies approach influencers that are regular people in order to promote their product. That's actually the highest converting traffic source right now. And why? Because the people actually trust other people, not the companies. Unless you're a big brand like Nike, Reebok, right? These are big brand, but a newly launched brand does not have that trust, that value. And hence they approach these people who have built a massive following in order to sell their product, right? Then the exposure increases multiple times. Then people tries the product, then they recommend it to other friends, and it just goes more. And then they become the next Reebok. Anyway, why we need a funnel, why we need this ecosystem is because you are basically building trust, right? You are basically building that trust with them. You're basically saying, I reviewed this product, I trust this, here is why it works for me. Just like those influencers here, right? And you are not selling, you are not focusing on selling. No, you are focusing on recommending stuff. Spelled it wrong, but you get the point. And that's the difference between an affiliate, right? An affiliate who gets 1% conversion and a partner who gets a 10% conversion, right? If you are promoting a product, don't be an affiliate, don't be a part-timer. You actually need to become a partner of that product. Treat it like your business. It is your product that you are selling, and that way you will get much more conviction. And conviction is contagious. Other people can sense it. If you're trying to just sell them something, they can sense that. Other people runs away from that selling energy. You need to become a partner. You need to build that trust. You need to become a recommender, and this is how you make money. This is the psychology behind it. So let me show you the blueprint. Here it is. So this is the core offer. This is what we want to sell. We selected one. This is the lead magnet that also recommends the core offer. This is the bridge page, the pre-sale page that also recommends the core offer. This is the emails that you built on, and all these emails sends again to that core offer sales page, right? Probably one sends to a review page, right? Review page that also sends to the core offer. So you are attacking from multiple directions, selling the core offer, giving it multiple exposures. And this is exactly what we are going to build, what I am going to build. You will see me how to do it properly using AI. AI made it so much easier now, but people still don't know how to properly use this. So I'm going to implement that. And so in the next video, I will show you how to use it, how to use AI to create the lead magnet in about 5 minutes. And that too extremely valuable and something that actually people wants. If they want it, then only they will enter their email address and you'll be able to build that email list. All right. So that is the next video. And after that, I will show you how to build that opt-in page and the bridge page, right? The funnel. And then I will show you how to write these emails effectively to sell this core offer. Now, if you look at this diagram here, you might think, whoa, that looks cool, but that looks like a lot of work and you don't want to spend about 3 weeks building it. And if you're one of them, then I have good news for you. I actually already built this entire ecosystem. I selected the offers, right? I selected about 3 offers for you. I created 3 funnels for you. I have created 3 lead magnets, all pointing to that core offer. The email sequences all pointing to that offer as well. And I call it the automated affiliate machine. If you want, you can click the link below and you can just click one link after getting it and get this entire one offer ecosystem into your account instantly. I use System, which is completely free to use. Plus you get the strategy as well, right? And you also get my automated affiliate blueprint where I show you how to pick offers, and it also goes deeper into writing emails using AI and such. And it is based on data and it is not based on guessing. All right. So if you want the shortcut, I will drop a link in the description. Or if you want to learn to build it yourself, just subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and I will see you in the next video building our lead magnet. Hope you enjoyed this video. If any comments, let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.